In the ever-evolving world of hiking, a transition from solo to duo adventures sparked a reevaluation of my gear. The focus, my cooking system. After a thorough exploration of various integrated systems, I found myself returning to the classic stove and pot combination, and so the Soto Windmaster and Jetboil Stash pot emerged as my ultimate companions on the trail. Let's delve into the details of my new trusted buddy, the Soto Windmaster. After years of battling the wind with the BRS 3000T, the Windmaster came as a breath of fresh air, literally. With an efficiency of 90% in even the most challenging conditions, this stove has become an indispensable part of my kit. Finding the perfect pot was a task in itself. Heat exchangers had caught my attention, and the Olicamp XTS and Firemaple FMC XK6 were strong contenders. But the Jetboil Stash proved to be the real winner. Despite initial doubts about compatibility with the Soto Windmaster, the Stash fit like a glove, creating a seamless and efficient cooking system. Once the components were chosen, the real test was integrating them. Fears of fitting the stove, pot, and fuel tank neatly within the Jetboil Stash were quickly put to rest. With the stove nestled in the heat exchanger, the system morphed into an integrated powerhouse. A few tweaks to the Triflex stand and voila, we had ourselves a perfect 100% synergy. To ensure the efficiency of the system, I conducted extensive tests, comparing boiling times and fuel consumption. The results? A significant improvement of 30–40% in boiling time and fuel economy with a heat exchanger pot. Curious minds wanted to know how the Soto Windmaster and Jetboil Stash stacked up against the Jetboil Saltee. After a detailed comparison, the Soto Windmaster and Jetboil Stash reigned supreme in terms of weight, fuel efficiency, and overall performance. Engaging with the hiking community proved invaluable, offering insights into others' experiences with similar setups. We exchanged ideas on fuel efficiency, personal experiences, and varying conditions, enriching the quest for the ideal cooking system. So here I am, with the Soto Windmaster and Jetboil Stash pot as my new cooking system. This duo has elevated my hiking experience, offering efficiency, reliability, and adaptability. While this quest has reached a satisfying conclusion, the ever-evolving world of outdoor gear promises continuous exploration and innovation. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a novice adventurer, remember, the quest for the perfect gear is a personal journey. As technology advances and outdoor enthusiasts continue to share their experiences, the options for creating your ideal hiking setup will continue to expand. Embrace the journey, test your gear, and let your adventures shape your path.